Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. So, ang topic natin for today, the surprising truth about happiness everyone ignores. So, itong topic na to kapag laging napag-uusapan to or may mga tao na pag tinanong ano ba yung happiness, may mga tao literally turn into an idol. May mga tao na to pursue happiness, they make something worth yan as sacrifices. Merong ina-idolize. People put everything value on the side in order to pursue the goals of happiness. And there is a disasters na merong dinadala sa bawat individual, sa family, sa society natin as a whole. Happiness is not a goal. Happiness is a byproduct of living with a purpose. So, kailangan natin na ma-emphasize sa buhay natin yung purpose for living. Kasi andun talaga nakapaloob yung true happiness. Happiness is something that happens when we focus on what we are made for. Happiness overrated. Kasi ang nangyayari para makuha natin yung happiness natin, we idolize something. Tao man yan, bagay man yan, na nandun nakadepende yung happiness natin. Yung culture ng society natin is nakafocus doon na para masatisfy ka, makuha mo yung happiness mo, kailangan mabili mo tong bagay na to, na-idolize mo yung bagay na yun, so dapat makuha mo siya. Or sa tao man, kailangan magawa mo yung gusto ng tao na to para makuha mo yung happiness na to, and then you have to sacrifice things para example, meron kang ina-idolize na mga K-pop, diba? So ang gagawin mo, mag-iipon ka para masacrifice mo yung bagay na yun para makuha mo na maka-attend sa concert na yan. Example, mayroong concert yun dito sa Philippines. So, ang true happiness, hindi naka-base dun eh. Ang happiness talaga is, kailangan malaman natin bakit tayo ginawa dito sa mundo. Ano yung purpose? Bakit tayo nandito sa mundo? Kasi dun talaga, behind that, makikita natin, malalaman natin yung or ma-experience natin yung true happiness natin. Hope this motivational talk na meron tayo ngayon, may matutunan tayo na huwag natin idepende sa kung sino man o kung ano man yung happiness na meron tayo, because there is a reasons why you are created in the first place in this world, and that lies the true happiness within you. Just know the purpose why you are created. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.